Hi, this is your bookmark template in Canva. The first page has all four different versions, one with borders and one without borders. And then the rest has each one on a separate page, four to a page, like this. And I have to do actually the borders with the rectangles. So let's see. So actually five. So I even have a rectangle at the bottom for you. So here we are going to drag and drop whatever images, patterns, videos if you want. Of course, these are bookmark. You don't put it in a video, but if you want to somehow use it in your social media or your website, or you can do videos if you like, because they're frames. So let's do photos first. So just click on any photo, drag it, and then change the border by going border color. This is black, so you know you can change it because you see the color shows up here. You can pick any color that you already have, or you can go to the plus sign, add new color, and use the color picker to select a color from your image. That is not what I was expecting, but this one is much better. And you can also just do a pattern. So these are the four patterns that you are getting as a bonus. Just drag and drop them in, and drag and drop like this. See, and then change this again. Go like this, and go like this, and change. Okay, and of course, videos. Videos. Let's see what videos are. Check any video, and you can just drag it on, and it will start playing. And that's what you have. And you could do it for all of these. I also give you already the instruction for it.